Hey guys, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. This came from China. So, a month and a half ago, this slider came out. It was announced in the EDC cartel by YC-EDC, I think. And it's called the Breakthrough slider. I guess there's this new movement about these sliders that are like performance sliders where you could do tricks and stuff. And I don't know, it looked good to me. It's got curved plates, so I thought that it would be pretty good. I wonder if it's like that flare one that I had before. There's nothing else in there. Now, I only want to do an intro now, and then I want to mess with it a little bit. Because from what I've been told, let's see if there's anything else in here. Oh, there it is. It's like a keychain, some stickers, some alternate magnets, and a tool. Okay. People have said that the initial magnet configuration is a little weird, but that it's super light. Y-EDC, is it? Wait, it's YC-EDC, not Y-EDC. Okay, it definitely has the magnet, the magic. Yeah, it's got the magic. Wonder if I can fix it real quick. Shh, I'm supposed to be working right now. Don't tell anybody. Hey, which one has the... Okay, I'm pretty sure that this one is the one that has the 3... So the magic play, really? This fucking tool doesn't even work? Okay, it does. Just got to press a little harder. Okay, let's put that over there. There it is. See? It's missing these two. So, I believe if I could take these... Oh, shit. It'll be a 4-click. Now. Let's see. Some people, I mean, the reviews on this, like so far, sorry, let me just zoom out a little bit. The reviews of this one so far have been really, really good. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay. I'm back. Okay, so now it's a 4-click. Okay. So that's what it was. It was just missing those two. Wow, this is actually pretty nice. The plate, very, very light. A lot of grip. Shit. It's rattly. Wonder if There's a move that I was trying to do. It works a little weird. The move that I was trying to do is, oh here, I've got the Ronin. I guess it doesn't really matter. So far, I really like it. But I've learned that first impressions is not always the best. Maybe it's because the magnets are not that strong that it keeps falling. Okay, well, I'll have to play with it and report back, but what's up with this keychain? YC-EDC breakthrough. More stickers. Oh my god, is there an actual... There's an instruction manual. Wow. I could probably do Google Translate to scan this thing. I've actually never seen a Fidget with an instruction manual, so this is actually impressive. Wow. It starts in English. Ayo, what's up? And then it just goes to... Very nice. Okay, so first impressions, I think it feels pretty nice. But I will report back. Y'all, I am here with Kitionis in the cat room. And I'm here for an update on the breakthrough slider. I know this is kind of a shitty angle right now, but I just want you to let you know that I have been playing with this thing for like 2-3 weeks, and it has become one of my favorite sliders. I'm gonna turn it around, show you guys what it looks like on the inside, and a little bit of a closer look, but I gotta say that this thing is definitely well worth it. Okay, dude. Oh. Okay, here we go, guys. So here she is. So this is an aluminum body to keep it light. This is supposed to be one of those like high performance sliders where like you could do 1,000 tricks. Now, one thing that's going to be controversial is that there's curved plates here. Now, that's known for being with the Wrapped from Modus Works. So because of the curved plates, there's a lot less friction. Also, it's got nice textured sides on each plate and really nice rattle inside. Now, it didn't come with really anything like any extras. It's just meant to be like a performance slider. I know that sounds weird, but I'll show you what it looks like in the inside here. So you can't change up the inserts at all. Looks like you can make it a 3. Oh, I know what I did. Yeah, I forgot, it's been so long. It came as a magic play in the beginning. So one side was a 3 and one side was a 4-click. And I just changed it up. So that's the only thing that I did. But there's no O-rings or anything like that. It's meant to be crunchy. I actually think it's perfect like it is. And that the magnet strength comes with as a hybrid setup. The magnet strength is perfect. I can't recommend this slider enough. It cost me like $125 new. And I find myself doing like crazy tricks with it. I'm actually going to send this over to Kyle from Fidget Focused right as soon as I'm done with this, so that he can do a nice review. I haven't done all of the moves, but I can do shit on this one that I've never been able to do on other things. It's just, this has got to be like one of my go-to sliders now. Also, insane grip right here. Never have to worry about where you're going to push it up from. Super smooth. No problems with the plates whatsoever. Perfect magnet strength. Incredibly fun. Light. I've dropped this a million times and it's just great. It's just great. I mean, I have to say that this is like a perfect slider. It really is. This is like an EDC for me for sure. Like complete everyday carry. So this is the breakthrough slider, and I will put a link in the description as to where you can find it. Oh, YC-EDC is from YC-EDC. I got this from EDC Cartel on Facebook. It's just great. I know that they've already come out with like on Amazon. There's already a bad clone of this knockoff, but this thing is really awesome. So that's it. That's all it is. Thank you guys for watching.